All right, so I'm going to show you the bathroom real quick because I am so just proud of my team on what really our director of housekeeping has put so much time into making sure that all of the little specifics are hit on. You walk in here, what you'll see is that everything that we do is simply from listening to what the guests like and what they need, or we're thinking of what would we want if we're travelers. And so whether that is something very simple, this doesn't cost a lot of money or a lot of time, but for somebody to be able to come in, and I don't need the makeup wipes, so if I was the host making the decisions, I probably wouldn't put this in here. However, if somebody's ever asked for it, then we think about it and we try to put it in there because we're constantly listening. We want extra face towels. We want enough towels for the place. And then there's lots of other important features that can get overlooked in a lot of these vacation rentals. And it can be just as simple as what you're going to see in most of the hotels anyways, where they take just a little bit of extra time to make sure that somebody knows this place has been spot cleaned. And when you walk in, you can see that by other just little signs like this. I've stayed in a lot of places personally with my family that have these very large shampoo bottles and large conditioner bottles, or a bunch of hand soaps, and it's kind of like a recycle and reuse. And I'm not hating on the hosts that do that. I don't think that that's terrible. I started that way at one point myself. Then we went to individual soaps, and one, that can cost the host a lot more money because people are just throwing those away after they're a one-time use, and you have to pay for each one. The other way to do it is a lot of what hotels have done as well, where you have these shower pumps, and then you have your bath soap, you have your shampoo and your conditioner. It's always there, you can refill it, and you don't have to reuse it after somebody else, I think is the main point. So we're not picking up these bottles and you're keeping your hygiene.